Hi guys. Today we are going to be start with the sign up process of the school management system and take a look at that how we can set up the classes and the sections and the batches, etc. First of all, click on the sign up of the link, and then you will be able to provide the detail. For example, your school name is demo school branch, for example G7, and the address and email address demo at myschool.com, demo admin, and the password 123456 123456, and then click on sign up page, sign up link. Okay, as you can see, the sign up process has done, and you can see there are some 5 classes over there and 5 batches. There is no students and there are no employees. Once you sign up, we actually have set up some of the classes for you. You can be able to see these classes. Go to the section and then click on classes. You can see that the grade 1 category primary, section A, batch number 1, and you can click on batches link to see the batches of that classes. Once you click at that, you can see that the batch for the class 1 is 2017 to 2018, and this batch is active. Okay, and you can be able to see all batches by clicking to the all, and all classes batches are being shown over there. Now take a look at that. Now we are going to be set up some more classes. I want to change the section to A. For example, we have grade 1 with white section name. Let me change. Okay, so now we have 5 classes and 5 batches. We can be able to add more classes. For example, we have a small school and we have 1 to 5 classes, but each and every class has 2 sections. Okay, the one section is white and the other section is, for example, green. Okay, so it's mean we would have 10 classes. Okay, now I'm going to add the 5 more classes with the sections green. Okay, class, select the primary, class name is equal to grade 1, section is equal to green, batch. Okay, so as you can see, we are creating the classes as well as the batch. Okay, so you can see that the class has been created with is a section, and then one is the batch is already created for that class. Okay, now I'm going to add more classes. Okay, so as you can see, we have every class has two sections, the green and white, and they have associated badge. So we have 10 classes. Okay, so now the second the third the one thing which is, the school detail. You can be able to modify your school detail, the name, the branch, the address, and the phone number, and the image, etc. These of the detail will be shown on while you are printing any of a report, so you can be able to see the details coming from this section. Okay, and then the class categories. As you can see, we have a Montessori, the primary, the secondary, so you can be able to add as many types as you want. And of course the batch section, which already has been discussed. Each and every class has associated badge, and the badge is active for each and every class. And the last section, which is, the subjects. These are the default of the subject: the math, science, English, Urdu, and you can be able to add as many subjects as you want. Okay, the one part which is, the class association with the subject. So if you go to the section, for example the exam sections, so we have provided a link, class subject association. So you must, once you have created the class, you definitely has to be assigned the subject accordingly. Okay, so we will be, discuss this section in the exam section, but now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So as you can see that all the classes are being shown over there. Okay, and the subject are over there, and you can be able to see the class subject. So once you have clicked any of the class, you can be able to see the subject. So there is no data available. So once you can do that, for example, if I select all classes with all subjects and then save, so you can be able to do that for all one by one class. For example, one class one, and you can be able to assign for example these subjects. So once you click save, so it will be saved. Okay, so once you click that, you can see that these all subjects has been assigned to the class 1 and class 1 grade. Okay, so you can do that for all classes and for all subjects in a bulk way. So this is all done, so you can be able to associate classes with the subject. Okay, now before moving to the next section, if you have any question, please do ask me. This is basically the setting section. Thank you.